All right, the second part of this assignment has to do with a word problem. So, as we can see here, all right, we are going to calculate Nicole's rate of pay, okay? And the two values that they're giving you is time and pay, right? The x-axis, okay, it's t here, all right, is time, and p right here is pay. So it says the graph shows data on the pay Nicole receives for each hour work. So the pay for 1 hour is, so what you want to do first is look at time here, okay, and we're going to go to 1 hour, which is right there. As we can see, all right, the point that it lines up at is $10, okay, well, that's bad. Pay for 2 hours, all right, so what we're going to do is go to point 2 now, and we're going to look, and it's $20, okay, and finally 3 hours, we're going to look, it's $30. So it shows you, all right, a pattern of pay that this person gets for working hours. So it says the points lie in a straight line, okay, linear line there, all right. So the graph is a linear relation. To move from one point to the next, move, and it says horizontally first. So if we look at our data here, all right, we have hours and we go up 1 hour each time. So we're going to save 1 unit horizontally, and it says here 10 units vertically. So that's our first part, okay? We're going to identify the numbers, the data, and the patterns, all right? It says here the pay axis counts by $10, okay, the pay, all right? So now we want to make a table of values. Okay, so here we are. They chose to do it this way. You can also do it this way and go time here and pay here and then do it. But don't worry too much about that, all right? So we have time. We have 1 hour and we have $10. Okay, we have 2 hours and we can look at our graph and we have $20. And we have 3 and we have 30. Finally, 4. Okay, if we look at our fourth point here, it's lining up with 40. So we have $40. So how much does Nicole make per hour? So that's where you have to look at the data of this table of values and figure out how much she makes in 1 hour of work. So in 1 hour of work, Nicole makes $10. For each hour she works, Nicole makes 10 more. So she makes $10 an hour. Okay. If we look at how much you're going to make, Nicole, in 8 hours. Okay, well, what you're going to do is 8 hours, all right? And you're going to take the pattern, which is 10, and you're going to make $10 an hour. So she made $80 in 8 hours. Okay, so that's what it's showing you in this data. Okay, so before it was 3B. Okay, now what we're doing is we're going 10T. Okay, we're going time is T and 10 is the amount of money we make, and we can do this with any amount of hours. Let's say Nicole worked, I don't know, 20 hours. Okay, we're going to go 20, okay, is T, all right, and 10 is our pay, so we're doing 10 times 20, which is 200. So she made $200 in 20 hours. Okay, so this is another way of doing it. All right, as you can see, it was a word problem, but here it's showing the exact same patterns. Okay, we could go, all right, 10T is our pattern, our expression. Let's go, what's she making 40 hours? So I'm going to go 10 brackets 40, and I'm going to go 10 times 40, which is 400. So she made $400 in 40 hours.